Okay, my name is Milker Soares. I'm responsible for this international master program. This is a new program, international master. As a matter of fact, we have only 2 years from now of this master program. The name of this international master program is Advanced Mineral Resources Development. Here, down there, you can find the website of the Técnico, and you can see all details about this master. This master is developed in 3 campi. First, and I will talk a little bit later about this, the first semester will be taught in Leoben University in Austria, the second semester in Freiburg here, and the last 2 semesters in Técnico. I mean, the last semester is the thesis, individual thesis, okay? So what is the main motivation of this mining engineer master program? Well, this motivation, let me tell you, that can be extended to all 3 programs of mining engineer. One that were exposed by my colleague Teresa, and the other one that will be presented by Leonardo. But the main motivation, in my opinion, is this one. In order to achieve a low carbon future, there will necessarily be a substantial increase in demand for mineral raw materials that are essential for the manufacture of cleaner energy technology. Okay, this is is a conclusion of the World Bank report calling growing role of minerals and metals for low carbon future. It means that the energy transition for the clean future, low carbon future, will imply exponential increase in the demand of strategical mineral materials. Well, if you compare with the current production, for example, this is just examples. The lithium will grow about 1,000%, cobalt 600%, graphite, indium, and also the other ordinary metals that are essential to any activity like copper, zinc, and so on. So the point is the new discoveries, I mean the mineral discoveries and the new exploitations, the new mines will be each time more deeper and critical geological environments. I mean critical in terms of stability, rock stability, and so on. So it means that all the main companies have already defined the new concept of mining engineering. Basically, this new mining engineer, I would say, concept means that the clean future involves exploration and sustainable exploitation of mineral resources. That's what makes the difference between this new mining engineer compared with the classical 10 years or 20 years ago mining engineer like myself. So what are basically the topics of the formation of the new mining engineer? First, to increase production in these new environments, critical environments, deeper environments, and so on. The main minings are moving through what they call digital innovation. So which means, for example, I'm just putting some keywords here, the production optimization, automation, which means robotization. So the communications with 4G LTE communication, which gave rise to Internet of Things in mining, big data, data analytics, I would say machine learning, and so on. So all those new, I would say, tools that are available for any engineer is each time more, I would say, present in the formation of the new mining engineer. Also, in the concept of real-time mining which is the interface of those technologies, IT technologies, with the resources and the reserves. For example, how to use these all these tools, the robotics, Internet of Things, to do the real-time monitoring of resources. Let me recall you that I'm talking about natural resources, which means heterogeneous, very heterogeneous resources. So, which is not like a classical factory of something that you know exactly what is the input to plan the output, but you are playing here with the pretty heterogeneous resources. And also, of course, after some knowledge, some degrees of uncertainty, you come to what they call reserves, which are the resources that can be exploited, sustainable, exploited. So the other goal is the real-time updating, systematic updating. I mean, the real-time, when I mean real-time, is very short time update of resources and reserves. And finally, after this planning, the next step of this new concept of real-time mining is the real-time planning and production scheduling. Essentially are those tools that make all difference between the classical and the new mining engineering that we intend, I would say we are forming in those 3 mining engineer programs. So, in short, this international master program will integrate those concepts of digital innovation in mining industry by giving those concepts as a consequence, the modern skills of new mining engineer open more opportunities in new markets, not necessarily in mining industry, but other industries related with mining, or that they need those new tools of spatial data science, data analytics, and so on. So what all those concepts can be given also in the programs that are just taught in Técnico, in the Lisbon University. What the new add of this international program is here. The international program gives to the students what they call international curriculum, networking, gives, I would say, a more strong CV, just that allow the students to, after the course, of course, the graduated, to be more prepared for the globalization of the market and so on. That's the main difference here. That's the main difference of international program. Now, let me talk a bit about what the students expect in each of the schools. In Leoben, in the first semester, the topics that you can see in this in the website, the topics are basically focused on mineral economics and project management in Leoben in first semester. So in Freiburg is more focused on sustainability, mining and environment. The main problems that involves either underground or open pit mine, but they are pretty focused on this topic here, which is the sustainability of the exploration and the exploitation by putting this environment. And in Técnico, and finally in the third semester in Técnico, they will learn will be taught some uses, some curricular units with those topics that I just talked about, the new mining technologies. And finally, in first semester is is fulfilled with the master thesis, okay? And basically, you can find, and you can find all the details of this program. Again, is a new one. I cannot show you a record or historical or alumni because it's just second year. We have some students, we have some Portuguese students that will join the program, and you have some foreign students that come to Técnico after they took those 2 semesters in those schools in the next semester. And that's it. Thank you for your attention. And well, any question that you want to address, please just send me an email. My email is in the main website. Thank you.